Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Then under wireless and networks you will find personal hotspot. Just open it. And now simply by tapping on this switcher you can enable your portable hotspot. As for now, any other devices can connect with network via your Xiaomi Redmi 5. If you would like to set up your hotspot, if you would like to change your network name, just click on Setup Wi-Fi Hotspot, and here you can change your Wi-Fi name, your network name. It can be hard reset. Tap on OK. Give your device a few seconds. And let's go back to Setup. So here you've just changed the network name and tap on Security to change the password. And here you can enter the password that you would like to have. It must have at least 8 characters, so let me enter hard reset. If you would like to see what your password is, what you are typing, just tap on eye icon over here and let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4 and then tap on OK. And give your device another few seconds. It have to save all the changes and now it's already connected. So that's it. If you would like to switch off your portable hotspot, just tap on the same icon on the same switcher as in the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.